If you're looking for a place to get away from it all, this is it. Situated on almost 5 acres, the home sits way back off the road and is very private. There has been only one owner in this quality-built home. There is one bedroom, and it is on the upper level with French doors to a deck overlooking the woods. It has an attached full bath as well as a walk-in closet. There is an added full bath on the main level. There are beautiful wood floors in much of the main level, which boasts lots of windows allowing the natural light to come in from every angle. The home flows well with an open concept and several outdoor spaces to enjoy, from the expansive covered porch to the large decked area out back.